Welcome to JavaScript Challenge. 1000 things you can do with JavaScript. Let's get right into it. Number 1, using JavaScript to change HTML content. So I'm in the body section of my code and I want to create a paragraph with an ID. For the purpose of our learning, I'll be using the ID demo anytime I'm calling an ID for explanation. And in this ID, you can put any text you want. For me, I'm putting change this text. That means I want to change this particular text, change this text using JavaScript. So I have to create a button to initiate that click. So the button type of a button, I have to create on click element. And there's this element called document.getElement by ID. So we are getting a document and fetching it by its specified ID. So for us here, the specified ID is demo in the paragraph. So I'm going to repeat that same ID and I'm going to call another element called inner HTML. So the inner HTML is the text that is in the paragraph. And then I'm going to replace it with this one. Hello, I'll be the next content, or I am the next content. So you can put anything there and JavaScript will help you change this. Okay. So this is like an introduction to JavaScript, the first learning. So you can see our outputs. Let's change that text from hello, I am the new content. So save it, Ctrl S, and go back to your output, refresh, change this text by using JavaScript. You see hello, I'm a new content. So in the button I have change text. So subscribe to JavaScript Challenge 1000 things you can do. See you on the next one. Bye.